Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSNP. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downwards pressure on this one continues. I think it's safe to say that as of right now, the bears are in full control. Now, that can always change. The bulls can regain control, of course. But over the past, basically, several days, all it's been is lower lows and lower highs, which is the epitome of a downtrend. And, that's no different today. So first update that needs to be made is just I'm going to go ahead and adjust this area of support to what seems to be the next key level down there at 67 cents. And not to insult your intelligence, but you saw what direction I needed to make that adjustment. And whenever levels of support need to be adjusted downwards, again, not exactly the most bullish of situations. So that's, 67 cents now going to be that next key level to watch moving forward. But really the main dynamic to watch, because it's become a question of, okay, Clay, you say the bears are in control, but that they can lose control. So therefore, what would be an indicator? What would be a way that we can tell that, hey, it's looking like the bears are losing control and the bulls are gaining it? And that's where the purple line comes into play. The very well-known, the very famous 50-period moving average, which you can see has been a very, very annoying level. So a point here being this is, as far as I'm concerned, as long as the price is still down below that purple line, then you can't really say that the bulls are in control at all. Now, if the price can work its way up to that purple line, break above it, and then start to stay above it, okay, at that point, it makes it a very wise, a very valid conversation. Now be saying, all right, yeah, it's looking like the bulls are back in control, and then you can start to have those conversations. But as of right now, in my opinion, having any sort of bulls are in control, or that the power's back, or that the momentum back, is a little sketchy as long as the price stays below that purple line. So definitely keep a close eye on that, and that'll be a good indicator in terms of when you should start to transition the conversation from bears are in control to the bulls are in control. But overall, let's see how this one closes out on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.